367 Bobby Jones Road. Location, location, location. This coveted first-floor corner unit is tucked away at the back of the community with peaceful conservation and waterfront views. Located in the quiet, maintenance-free community of the Hideaway, this move-in-ready condo features 2 bedrooms, 2 full baths, and 1,334 square feet of spacious living. Enjoy panoramic views of the newly redesigned Bobby Jones Golf Course, a tranquil creek with a gentle waterfall, and surrounding conservation land. Inside, you'll find tile flooring throughout, no carpet, a large living room with crown molding, a flex space den, and a separate dining area with chandelier lighting. The bright kitchen includes a convenient pass-through to the dining room, recessed lighting, and newer appliances including the oven and dishwasher. Both bathrooms have been recently updated with modern tile showers. Additional features include a full-size in-unit laundry area, generous storage, and a 120 square foot screened lanai, ideal for relaxing with morning coffee and a private view. This unit also comes with 2 prime parking spaces located just steps from the front door. Community amenities include 2 pools, 1 just steps from your home, walking trails, and mature oak trees. The HOA covers exterior maintenance and insurance, including a new 2024 roof, water, sewer, trash, pest control, and pool service. No CDD, no age restrictions, and minimal leasing rules make this a great full-time residence, seasonal retreat, or investment opportunity. Just minutes from downtown Sarasota.